Hello everyone. In this video, I will be talking about my top 5 recommendation for Azure extension inside Visual Studio Code. So lately, I've received many feedbacks from my viewers as well as my readers, and they asked about this particular video. So let's go to VS Code, and here if you will type Azure, you would see there are a bunch of extensions which are available. So it's a huge list. Now, which one is my priority or which one is my preference? That's I'm going to talk today. So the very first one I would like to show you is Azure Tools. So this is the extension which is on the top of my list, as it includes long list of extensions which are very useful to interact with Azure. It allows you to host websites. It allows you to perform seamless integration between MongoDB as well as Cosmos DB in terms of creating databases, writing scripts. Even you can manage your virtual machine with this. You can view all your Azure resource group. You can deal with Docker images also. So this is a extension pack having all these extensions included in it. So this is Bicep, you can deal with it. Here you can have a look at ARM template manager. So just by installing this one extension, you will get whole bunch of things here. So my second recommendation is Azure Policy. So let's say you are not going with Azure Tools, then you need to go ahead and install those individual extensions. So in that case, you can also have a look at Azure Policy. So let's search for it. Okay, so here you can see that there are not many viewers because it's still in preview, but this extension is very useful if you are playing with policies and you want to streamline the management and authoring of your resource manager more policy definitions and assignments. So you can also discover aliases with respect to any resource, and you can quickly run an evaluation. So not go with rating. I would just suggest not to go with rating and go ahead and at least use it once. And I'm sure you will find it very useful. Okay, coming on to my third recommendation, which is Azure App Insights. Let's type Azure Application Insights. Okay, and here it is. So you can see that it mainly deals with the reliability of information. It allows you to gain much more insights into your application with respect to your performance, how your application is doing, how about logging, and all these things you can get. So basically it provides you a complete list of your application insights. So how many requests you have sent, how many were failed, what is the average response time. So anything which you can think of from the app insight perspective, you can perform using this particular extension, and you can see this extension is still in preview right now. Coming on to my another recommendation, which is Azure Account. So this extension provides you a facility, like it's written over here, with single sign-on and subscription filtering, wherein you can manage all your subscription, filter a subscription without hopping onto the browser again and again. So this could be a very useful extension in your list. And next one I would suggest is CLI Tools. So go here and type Azure CLI Tools. So this is useful when you want to play with like a CLI. You are like command line fan and you want to perform everything using this. So this is the tool mainly useful when you want to run your commands for the Azure CLI. Okay, so I think these are my 5 recommendations, and I hope you enjoyed watching today's video, and do let me know in comments what other videos you are interested in. Thanks for watching.